Breaking news mga kabayan, President Trump sinabing merong eroplano na hindi nakikita sa radar ang lumilipad sa airspace ng Iran. Posibleng ito na ba ang B-2 bomber na kayang maghulog ng isa sa pinakamalakas na bomba sa inventaryo ng US Air Force?
We have planes that are undetectable, flying around like, nobody's able to see them stealth.
Ito na kaya ang tatapos ng tuluyan sa mga nuclear sites ng Iran? President Trump posibleng magbibigay hudyat upang tuluyan ng sumali sa digmaan sa gitnang silangan. Pentagon nakahanda sa anumang desisyon at utos ng Pangulo ng Estados Unidos. HMS Queen Elizabeth ng United Kingdom aircraft carrier nasa Suez Canal, dala ang mga F-35 5th generation bilang suporta sa Israel Air Force. Iran naglunsad ng ballistic missile, isang ospital sa Israel tinamaan. Prime Minister Netanyahu nangako na ang ginagawang pagtarget ng Iran sa mga sibilyan ay may katumbas na malaking kabayaran.
Is fighting to remove the nuclear hospital. Their patients.
Puwersa ng Amerika nakahanda na anumang oras upang tuluyan ng wasakin ang nuclear facility ng Iran. B-2 Spirit bomber ng Amerika ang siyang gagawa at tatapos ng misyong ito. Ayon sa mga eksperto at retirado mga militar ng Amerika, 2 bunker buster bomb lang tapos na ang maliligayang araw ng Iran Supreme Leader. Sa katunayan, sa isang panayam kinumpirma ni President Trump na merong eroplano ng Amerika na hindi nadedetect ang lumilipa sa airspace ng Iran at hindi dito kayang makita sa radar. Ito na kaya ang B-2 bomber, dala ang 30,000 pounds bunker buster bomb.
We have planes that are undetectable, flying around like, nobody's able to see them stealth. Israel has incredible weaponry, so we'll see what happens. I've been asked about it by everybody, but I haven't made a decision.
Ayon kay US Defense Secretary Hegseth, nakahanda ang Pentagon na gawin ang anumang misyon saan man sa mundo kapag ito ay formal na at opisyal nang ipinag-utos ni President Trump.
Correct, Senator. As I've said, there's only one person that was elected President of the United States. Yeah. And the American people elected him to make these decisions on their behalf. And if and when those decisions are made, the department is prepared to execute.
And Secretary, Iran's military and leadership is in complete disarray right now because of the bold actions by Israel.
We know right now that Tehran understands exactly what the president is saying. He said 60 days. The world can believe it, and the world cannot believe it. He said 60 days. They had an opportunity to make a deal. They should have made a deal. President Trump's word means something. The world understands that. And at the Defense Department, our job is to stand ready and prepared with options. And that's precisely what we're doing.
Sa katunayan mga kabayan, hindi lamang Amerika ang nasa likod ng Israel. Pumasok na sa Suez Canal ang isa sa mga pangmalakas ng aircraft carrier ng United Kingdom, ang HMS Queen Elizabeth aircraft carrier. Dala ang maraming mga F-35 5th generation fighter jets malapit lang sa Israel. Posibleng ito na ang utulong ng United Kingdom upang protektahan ang Israel airspace laban sa mga banta ng Iran. Kinumpirma naman ni Prime Minister Netanyahu na malaki ang tulong at suporta ng Amerika upang protektahan ang kanilang airspace gamit ang THAAD missile na nasa Israel ngayon. Mga barkong pandigma ng Amerika na nasa paligid lang ng Israel na merong Aegis system na kayang tamaan at usakin ang mga ballistic missile na inilulunsad ng Iran. Maging ang Air Force ng Amerika at Israel ay magkatuwang upang masupi ang mga attack drone na inilulunsad ng Iran sa Israel.
קיבלתי תוצאה חיובית. נכנס לביצוע. תודה. מבצע. מטרה הופלה. בסדר גמור, אני מבצע. יש פיצוץ. יש פגיעה. מטרה הופלה. מבצע. יש פיצוץ.
That's a
Grabe mga kabayan, Israel tinamaan ng Iran ballistic missile. Isa sa mga ospital ng Israel, ang Soroka Medical Center, ang napuruhan ng tinamaan ito ng Iran missile kahapon. Agad namang personal na bumisita si Prime Minister Netanyahu upang makita ang pinsalang dulot ng pag-atake ng Iran sa mga sibilyang walang kalaban-laban. Hindi maiwasang makita ang galit ng Prime Minister ng Israel sa ginawa ng Iran dahil sa hindi patas kung lumaban. Dahil sa ginawa ng Iran, malaki ang tsansa na opisyal ng sasali sa digmaan ang Amerika sa labang ito.
I think his resolve, his determination, and his clarity when he says Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. And for that to take place, Iran cannot enrich uranium. It's as simple as that. He gave them the chance to do it through negotiations. They strung him along. You don't string along Donald Trump. He knows the game. And I think that we're both committed to making sure that Iran will not have a nuclear weapon, and they won't.
In your heart of hearts, is the United States going to come on board and help you with these strikes?
You see this hospital. What can you tell people who see this kind of?
I think it says everything about Israel and about the process of achieving a tremendous victory. And our victory is aimed at those two goals. People ask me, are we targeting the downfall of the regime? That may be a result, but it's up to the Iranian people to rise for their freedom. Freedom is never cheap. It's never free. Freedom requires these subjugated people to rise up, and it's up to them. But we may create conditions that will help them do it. Our goal is twofold: nuclear, ballistic missile. We're going to remove that. We are in the process of completing removing this threat.
Laban Pinas.